Good day, engineer. This is the number two of my quiz number two. So this is the explanation with the question on how will my NACA 5-digit airfoil be. So since ang ID number ko po is 12324 MN000687, ang last digit niya po is 00687. So, ang required is naka 5-digit airfoil. So, yung A ko po dito is yung first digit, yung B is yung second and third digit which is 06, and yung C ko po is yung fourth and fifth digit which is 87. So, first, hahanapin po natin yung design coefficient of lift. So, yung first digit ko, which is A, times 0.15. So, ang kalalabasan po niyan is 0. So, ibig sabihin, no design lift. Then, for maximum camber thickness naman, so same lang din po siya na gagamitin, which is yung A, which is 0/100 times yung chord. So, 0 po siya, meaning no camber, and that also means na symmetrical siya. So, symmetric yung airfoil, yung upper and lower surface niya po is identical, meaning nagpo-produce siya ng zero lift at zero angle of attack. Then, yung sa location of maximum camber naman is gagamitan po natin yung second and third digit which is 6. So, dito naman, uh, gagamitin natin yung first and second digit divided by 200 times yung chord. So, lalabas po is 0.03 times yung chord. So, 'di ba, ang general idea po kasi kapag wala kang camber, ibig sabihin po nun is hindi mo mahahanap yung maximum na location. So, bakit nga ba nagkaroon po ng 0.03C? So, that is the theoretical location if ever man na-cambered po yung naka-airfoil ko. So, if may cambered yung naka-airfoil yung naka-airfoil ko in terms of dun sa ID number ko, magkakaroon po siya ng 0.03C from the leading edge. And then, yung maximum chord thickness ko po with the equation 4th and 5th digit over 100 times yung chord. So, dito naman po, ayun, technically, 87/100 times yung chord. So, 0.87 chord. So, to summarize na lang din po yung answers ko. So, yung naka 00687 is a symmetric airfoil with design lift of 0, max camber thickness of 0. Location niya is, if cambered, is 0.03C. Yung max chord thickness niya po is 0.87C. So, since gusto ko po sanang makita siya, yung airfoil ko, nag-search po ako online nung mga generators ng airfoil. And ito po yung lumabas. So, since ang aking design coefficient of lift is 0, then yung thickness ko din po is in terms of percentage. So, 87. Ayan, so masyado siyang malaki. So, I guess 8.7. Pero hindi pa din siya magiging possible kasi nga po, masyadong mababa yung design coefficient of lift ko. So, hindi ko po siya pwede ma-plot and it's not realistic to say na nag-exist or merong naka 00687. If meron man, gusto kong makita. So, yun lang po and thank you.